Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew Miller. In case you don't know who I am, I'm the leader and founder of Chartbulls Trading. We are a group of day traders and investors who have come together in a free chat room to talk best practices and how to make money. If that's something that interests you, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below and come say hi to me and the other 3,000, almost 3,000 people in there. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about my current day trading strategy, or trading in general strategy. I just started a new job. And so I haven't had a lot of time to be day trading all day, every day like I've been doing the past couple months. So my new strategy, I've been swing trading predominantly on low leverage. And this has really helped me to be able to, one, mitigate my risk better, and two, not be just like all the time on my computer or be worrying about the price. So to get into it, this is my current setup right now. I am testing another strategy as well, and I will make a video about that at some point in the future. But for right now, I am not confident in it yet, so I don't want to broadcast it out, right? But this is what my main account is doing. So this is my 4-hour swing trading pattern indicator set. This is a custom indicator that is available to the Chartbulls trading students, which is the second link in the description if you want to learn how to day trade or be an investor in any type of asset. Go ahead and click that second link and join the trading school. You will get this indicator. So what I'm doing basically is just following the alerts that are generated to me within this indicator. So I am entering into somewhat long-term positions, and I'm using this plus my volume profile in order to find established entries. Every now and then I'll do some other trend lines and things like that, but typically this is what I'm looking at. I do have alerts set up to tell me when to short or when to go long, and then I just follow those alerts. Right now I am trading on 10x leverage, no higher than 10x. 10x is the max. It typically is lower than that, but I am also doing this on my 0.01 to infinity Bitcoin challenge that we've talked about over the past half a month, I guess. I think we started August 1st. That account is up to 0.0574 as of this morning from 0.01. So we are sitting at some nice profits, and that's just by following the strategy. I haven't been, again, being able to make as many videos about that as of right now just because of my traveling and training for my new job. But I am looking forward to getting back into a rhythm and being on the ball here on YouTube. So I'm glad that you are still sticking around. If you are new, please subscribe to the channel. If you still enjoy the uploads and hopefully the daily uploads, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me what your strategy is if you're a day trader right now or if you're swing trading. Really, we can just go ahead and get a little bit into the Bitcoin style analysis real quick. I mean, obviously, major downtrend. We did break out of this downtrend right here, which is reflected by the buy sign, right? We kind of pushed up, but now we're making technically higher lows here on the 4-hour, but not really super higher highs to get back into this channel, going up to fill up into that 6,900 number. So right now I am slightly bearish, still on Bitcoin. But it is positive that we did break out of this channel. I think we will fill this well up back to 6,800 and then kind of potentially rinse and repeat. The last time we got up high was 8,500 was the top, so we might see another retest for a big old BART, but I think as of right now the odds of that happening are slim. So I will be continuing to trade on Bitcoin and then also stocks and stuff, which I'll make another video about here soon. So I will see you in the Discord. If you are wanting to learn how to trade and use my indicators, I will see you in the Chartbulls Trading School. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. Peace.